Dear followers, welcome back to our beloved Italy. Around 3 years ago, we've started this journey together, and now we are over 100,000 people. We have been the first company in Italy to bring the idea of property tours from abroad to our country. I still remember being 16 and still in school, watching famous YouTubers showing incredible apartments in New York, villas in Miami with modern features and incredible locations. I immediately thought how in real estate in Italy, nobody ever introduced property tours as a form of marketing. But at the same time, how we don't have skyscrapers with high-tech features, but we have 1,000-year-old castles. We have private islands overlooking gorgeous sceneries, villas from the Renaissance period with their own vineyard and wine production. As soon as I began working in this industry, I dived into these videos. We had a humble start. I still remember it was during COVID-19 that we began filming these videos, and it was on my iPhone. And I edited them till late night to make sure they would have been uploaded on time on Wednesday at 4 p.m. Italian time. Within 10 to 15 videos, we already had several videos with hundreds of thousands of views, and a few even reached 500,000. We soon began selling properties on video. I still remember when a first offer arrived for a stunning castle on Lake Iseo, and it was an offer based on a video without any physical showing. Several sellers started calling us and asking to make a tour of their home as well. We have met hundreds of people and made new friends, developed new relationships, and lots has happened thanks to this. Today, I am here to thank you all for supporting Romolini Real Estate and I throughout our journey with your thoughtful comments, likes and shares, beautiful emails and handwritten letters I've received. This is a long-term journey for me, and I am excited to have you all by my side. Lots of outstanding homes are coming, and soon truly exciting news. Cheers to our achievement, cheers to our clients, and cheers to Italy. I hope to see you soon again and keep showing you the best homes of Italy. Until next time, ciao.